A major controversy has broken out after a well-known British academic professor, Francesca Orsini, from the University of London was denied entry into India despite holding a valid tourist visa. Orsini is a historian and expert in Hindi and Urdu literature. She had flown into Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport from China via Hong Kong. She was stopped at immigration and reportedly told she could not enter the country. So far, the Indian government has not issued any official statement on why the professor was turned away. However, officials familiar with the matter say Francesca Orsini had been placed on a blacklist in March this year for allegedly violating the conditions of her visa. Sources say she had previously visited India on a tourist visa but may have engaged in academic or professional activities that were not permitted under those visa rules. They also pointed out that this is not unusual internationally and that any country can deny entry if a visitor is found to have broken visa conditions in the past. The purpose of her current visa remains unclear and it's not yet known whether she had planned to attend an event, conduct research or meet collaborators in India. Orsini's colleagues and publishers, however, have expressed strong disappointment. Independent publishing house Permanent Black, which has published her work, said that Orsini's scholarship has greatly enriched Hindi literary studies and the history of the book in India. She has been denied entry with no reason given. Permanent Black had earlier published Orsini's book Print and Publishing in Colonial India, which examined how Hindi and Urdu print culture evolved after 1857 uprising. The School of Oriental and African Studies in London says she is a literary historian specializing in Hindi and Urdu traditions. It is also the same school where Orsini taught for many years. She first studied Hindi at Venice University and later at New Delhi's Central Institute of Hindi and Jawaharlal Nehru University before joining the School of Oriental and African Studies in London as a professor. Her denial of entry has now sparked a wider debate on academic freedom, visa restrictions, and India's engagement with global scholars. Critics are asking whether the move sends a restrictive message to researchers studying Indian languages and culture, while government sources insist that visa violations, not scholarship, are the reason for the action. For now, Professor Orsini remains stranded abroad, her plans uncertain, her voice silenced at least temporarily, as India's academic community waits for the answer on what exactly led to the denial.